And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Well, we didn't tie a record at the airport this morning. The low was 50. The record was 49, set in 1944. But we did break the record low at Logansport. The record was, I believe, 48. We dropped to 46 this morning. And there you see the lows at 46 to 52. A little warmer here in our southwest because we had some high and mid-level clouds out here that kept a little bit more of the heat in. Now today, it's very pleasant. Look at that. We're running around 70 to the mid 70s. And actually, these numbers, especially down here in our southwest, have dropped about 1 to 3 degrees in the past 2 hours. Now, why would that happen at the warmest part of the day? Well, thick wildfire smoke is coming in. The high mid-level clouds have pulled away. We have a few of these little cumulus clouds, but this veil of yellow and gray, brownish color in the sky that's dimming the sun is smoke that's coming in from Canada. It's coming in right here from the northwest, and that's why the sun's dimmed and it's actually cooled us a little bit over the past few hours. We'll still have some of that smoke around tonight, and eventually a few of these high clouds will drift in from the northwest. The warm front that was moving our way has kind of slid back and stalled just west of our area, but that's the boundary between the cool air and the heat, and a lot of what's pushing it back west is the storm that's kind of moving backward here in the northeast, and that is tied to Ernesto, which was a hurricane and is now a powerful storm in the North Atlantic, and it's kind of backing everything up to the west. But eventually the heat gets a push eastward, and these chilly overnights will be a distant memory. 49 the low tonight. Remember, the record low is 46, set in 1923. The record low is 43 at Delphi, 47 at Kentland. We'll be close to that. The record's 45 at Fowler, and we get the record at 46 at Logansport. So it doesn't look like anybody's going to break any records tonight, but still a cool one. Upper 70s to low 80s tomorrow. The wind gradually turning to the southeast. Smoke, a few high and mid-level clouds, and a few little fair weather cumulus clouds at 79 for the high. And there's your 77 Logansport and your 81 at Attica. Friday's warmer though, and the wind goes to the due south, but the humidity is held in check. 85 for the high temperature after 54 during the morning. Sunshine, some clouds again. I think the smoke will start to thin with time during the day. So there's tonight. Again, it's a clear to mostly clear sky. Tomorrow, a few patches of high and mid-level clouds come in from the northwest, and we pick up a few of these also on Friday as well as our warm front keeps drifting northward. Now we're looking at the weekend. The big hot ridge expands right over the area, and with that big hot upper ridge expanding, it gets hot with time. Eventually, we'll see that, you see that little round of storms. A little round of storms may impact us, I would say, by the mid part of next week. The timing is still kind of blurry right now on the exact timetable, even on a day basis, as to when we'll get some storms. But the thought is today, kind of keeping it persistent from yesterday, is that would be Wednesday, but we'll keep an eye on it. But this is a heat wave. It's a latter season heat wave. We've got a 90 Saturday, 92 Sunday, Monday and Tuesday we're in the 90s. We're in the 90s Wednesday, and it does get humid to muggy with heat indices exceeding 100. And look at that low on Wednesday morning at 75. Then it gets a little cooler for Labor Day, the start of Labor Day weekend that is, before we're back to 90s that next Saturday.